Hey everyone, how's it going? I'm Cheyenne here at RevSpire, and I want to show you guys today what a Ninja 400 sounds like with an Akrapovic Slip-on Exhaust. So this is a fairly simple exhaust to install, as well as kind of one of the better sounding ones as far as what I've heard on YouTube. So I went ahead and purchased one, got it installed, and I love it, honestly. It's been helping me a lot as far as being able to be heard in traffic. When I'm lane splitting, people tend to move out of the way a lot easier. It looks great. It definitely reduced a little bit of pounds on there, and yeah, overall love it. I'm going to show you guys what it sounds like as a cold start, a little bit of camera mounted on my helmet sound, so when I'm just casually cruising, as well as just some drive-bys. So hope you guys enjoy.